Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be doing the SAT question of the day. Today is the 4th of February 2026, so let's begin. So here we are given a medium difficulty reading and writing question. And before I begin reading the text, I'm going to read what the question asks me. So it says, based on the text, what would the paleontologist in text 2 most likely say about the researcher's initial thought in text 1? So in text 1, these people are going to have some initial thought, and we're going to see what these people in text 2 are going to say about that. So let's read text 1. Text 1 says that a tiny, unusual fossil in a piece of 99 million year old amber is of the extinct species Ochiodentavis congre. I hope I said that right. The O. congre fossil consists of a rounded skull with a thin snout and a large eye socket. Because these features look like they are avian or related to birds, researchers initially thought, so this is what their initial thoughts were, that the fossil might be the smallest avian dinosaur ever found. So the initial thought in text 1 is that I thought it was a bird, like an avian dinosaur. So now let's read what text 2 has to say. Text 2 says that paleontologists were excited to discover a second small fossil that is similar to the strange O. congre fossil, but has part of the lower body along with a bird-like skull. Detailed studies of both fossils revealed several traits that are found in lizards, but not in dinosaurs or birds. So this says that the fossil they actually found is not avian. Therefore, paleontologists think the two creatures were probably unusual lizards, even though the skulls looked avian at first. Like, so they're saying these are actually lizards, but it may look like that they are birds or avian at first. So now let's read our answer choices. A says that it is understandable because the fossil does look like it could be related to birds, even though it is probably a lizard. This matches what is said in the text, because text 1 thought that it looked like a bird, and text 2 also thought it looked like a bird at first, but they determined it was actually a lizard, which is what is said in answer A, so we're going to keep that. B says that it is confusing because it isn't clear what caused the researchers to think that O. congre might be related to birds. That is wrong because they thought that because of the features that resemble avian features. C says that it is flawed because the researchers mistakenly assumed that O. congre must be a lizard. Text 1 did not assume that it is a lizard, it assumed it was a bird. Choice D says that it is reasonable because the O. congre skull is about the same size as the skull of the second fossil, but is shaped differently. This is not true at all because both texts do not talk about the size of the skull. The second text talks about the lower body alongside the skull. So eliminating the other three answer choices, we're left with A, and we get the right answer.